Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today is like one of those YouTube milestones. It is my very first collab video. So I've had a lot of collab requests, probably at least 15 to 20 collab requests, and this is the very first one that I've taken because I do take these very seriously. I feel like it's a YouTube influencer rite of passage that I don't take lightly because I feel like there is a certain level of trust that I have with you all. All right, so without further ado, my very first collab is with Jeulia. So hopefully you guys can see that good. This is the box that everything came in, and as you can see here it says premium artisan jewelry. So before I confirmed to do this collab, I did look at their website, I looked at some other reviews on YouTube, and I was all in. So when you open the box, the very first thing on top is a little card that is a thank you for your purchase, and it's some coupons that I will link below. Next, you have what looks like a little product catalog. Yeah, as you guys can see here, it's a little product catalog, which is very smart marketing. All right, next is, oh, this is so cute. It's a cute little gift box. So that way, if you are buying this for someone else, they just include a cute little box that you can use whenever you're giving that person their gifts. And then it looks like there's something inside the box. Oh, this is cool. So there's a, like a little card that you can put a special note on, and then this is a polishing cloth. Okay, that's cute. It's like a little pink polishing cloth, which I will definitely be using. And there's a little card that has their return and exchange process, and then here are the goodies. So they were kind enough to send me 2 items. You guys, I'm really excited. The first thing I want to show you is this box. And again, it has just their logo, their branding. It's all very cute. Look at these earrings. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these. I'll put a link on the screen of exactly what these are called, but basically they are these rose gold little stars that you can put in your ear. And usually I do just like a regular stud with just like one diamond because I'm kind of basic like that. But I really wanted to do something different. And when I saw these, they just caught my eye immediately. And right now I'm in this like rose gold phase. I just want to see what it looks like in the mirror. They're pretty. You guys see how pretty these are? And I mean, you can look and feel the quality. Like, this is not some cheapy brand. Like, this is really nice. Wow, you guys, can y'all see how pretty that is? All right, so that's the first item that I got. Now the next item is something that's very sentimental to me, and it's really one of the main reasons why I decided to take this collab was because I was specifically looking for a piece like this, and I got this necklace. So hopefully you guys can see it okay. But this is a personalized necklace. It's got a vertical bar, and this is sterling silver, but I got it in the rose gold finish. Okay, so on one side of the bar, it has my son's birth date, and then on the other side, it says Bri plus Brit, like a little plus sign in Brit. So Bri and Brit. Oh, this makes me like want to cry. Oh my gosh, like it's beautiful. And I cannot wait to wear this. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna put it on right now. Oh, it's perfect because it'll say Bri and Brit in the front, and then on the very back, like the part that's close to my heart, it'll have the dates. So you can decide how many sides you want to personalize. All right, so can you guys see that? All right. All right, guys, so that's what the vertical bar looks like. It's so pretty. It's stunning. Like, hopefully, I hope the camera is doing it justice because in person, it is stunning. Like you can wear it higher up, like it's totally adjustable, so you could wear it higher up if you wanted to. Like I think that looks so pretty. And then they do have other options for personalization too. So I just got it to where the earrings match the necklace, and I love it. Like you guys will see me with this necklace on all the time. And the cool thing about these personalized items is that you can decide, first of all, like what type of item you want to personalize, and then you can put what inscriptions you want where. So whether you want an inscription on the front, the right, left, the back. So I chose to do an inscription on the front, and then I also chose to do one on the back. And if you guys are newer here, I have shown my son on this channel before. We did a cute little playlist video, and I'll go ahead and link that video up here. It's a really cute video. My son, he's just got very funny facial expressions, and just watch the video and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, but he's so funny. I absolutely, as you guys can tell, love it. Like I feel like I just have a piece of my son here with me. I don't know, I can already tell that this is going to be one of those special pieces that I keep forever. So just to give you an idea of pricing, this necklace was $60. And then in order to customize it, it's just an extra $5 per side that you want to customize it. So this would come out to $70 total. And then you can also get these pieces for children as well. Brylan, he's too finicky, so I know like he would just pull this off. Like he would break this in a day. So when he gets a little bit older, I would probably get a piece for him. We might even get like a matching mommy son piece. I don't know. He would probably hate that though. All right, guys. So that is my complete and honest review on Jeulia. I definitely recommend them. And as usual, I will list everything, including any type of coupons or codes and exactly what I got in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to be good to yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.